So good morning, guys. We're here today. We're gonna change and add the water element. So main goal of today, emptying the tank by removing the plug, making sure that the element is going through, and our Atwood system have a little seal, rubber seal, so the propane line comes out. So then we're gonna go through this propane line seal to be able to run those cables. So guys, here we are. This is my Atwood water heater. First thing we'll do is I'm gonna remove pressure from the tank. I'm gonna remove the plug that we see over here to make sure that I can drain it. And then, as I told you earlier, we have a rubber seal for the gas line. So I'm gonna run my cables right beside it so I don't have no holes to drill. Make sure that you always shut down the water line, or else you're gonna wait for a while. Has to get wet, playing with water. Trick of the trade, open the vent so the water pours out more easily. So as you see here, for my size of unit, I'm going to use this adapter, and with the little reducer here that's going to hold the element inside of it, because this was the size of a plug that I had. Hi guys, a little trick of the trade. As you see, there's threads, and we've got Teflon that we have to apply on it. The thing we want to make sure is when we're gonna tighten it, for the version I have, I'm gonna have to turn it towards me. So my Teflon, I'm gonna put it so it goes away from me. So what does it do is, when I'm gonna put it in and I'm gonna tighten it inside the tank, it's gonna go this way, so the Teflon will stay in place. It's gonna go like this. And if I put it the other way around, when I'm gonna screw it in, it's gonna start to remove himself. So be safe, have fun, nice project. So guys, after that you've put in the reduction unit and the little component that will tighten up this element rod inside the tank, pre-assemble the nut and this little squeeze ring that needs to go inside, this together, and then straight in there. We have installed the reduction units. We have installed the heating element inside of it, but what I'm seeing here is, due to my gas line, it's very, very close. So I'm gonna put the element a little bit closer in, so I have room for my electrical cables to go by the gas line. So now that I've installed the heating element inside of it and tighten it, I reopened the water line to fill in my water tank. So I opened the vent. So I'm gonna make sure that I have water coming up in the tank, and also to make sure that I don't have any leaks around the element. I'm gonna bring it closer just for you to see what's in there. So now we see from the inside, my two cables that I've run from the outside are right there in the corner. And from here on, I have to clean a little bit of this isolation to put in the thermostat. So what you see here in the back, this is our gas line. At the bottom we have the cold water. On top I have my hot water, and I have my bypass valve. So if there's any issues for us in our RV, one of those two valves can help us to isolate the tank. So here we're gonna prep the surface of the thermostat to be able to put in the double face tape and to make sure that it's gonna hold to the water heater. So another tip of the day, before making holes, make sure there's nothing behind. So we see here that I've drilled a hole and pulled in the two cables, because one's gonna go to the switch and one's gonna go to the power unit. Here my two cables are coming out from the wall and they're ready to be connected. So as you see here, all the cables, all the wires are connected. Now it's going to be time for cleanup. So here we are. We have installed the switch close to the tank, so for us not to forget. And there's our switch, our connector. If I go to my tank, I'm lucky because I have room enough. You see that I put tie wraps, cleaned it a little bit all out, so nothing hangs, nothing can get caught or pinched. So here we are. System is back on. Burner's running, heating element is running, No water. No water. Another good day. So yep, guys, we did a full modification on our old Pursuit 2005. We called him George. He had a regular propane tank from Atwood, and now he's got a dual energy, so a heating wand and propane, so we can save up a little bit more on the propane when we're on a campsite. But when we're going to be boondocking, we'll have to pay attention, because yes, it takes a little bit more than 400 watts to make it run. So be safe, have nice modifications, and please post it on.